everything changes.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Saturday, beautiful weekend. Today is July 20th, 2019. Tomorrow, the 21st, early morning. I am leaving, heading for eBay Open. I'll see all of you wonderful people who are already in Vegas. Tomorrow, we get there around noon, lunchtime, and we'll be available. If you are coming to Vegas, please say hello. Please come up to me. Please give me a hug. Please take a picture. Please talk to me. Do not ever think you're interrupting or wasting time or anything else, because I am here to meet all of you that are going. If you're not going to Vegas, we miss you. I'm sorry. Please make it a point to come to Vegas and hang out for nothing else other than to network and meet everyone and have fun and have a good time and learn a lot of stuff. Make it a goal. And so this is what I wanted to make this video about. I titled it this way, and hopefully you guys take this little piece of advice for you. Wherever you go, whether you're in Vegas or whether you're at home working or whether you're working a full-time job, set a goal. If your goal is to go full-time, set that goal. Create a date. Pick a time, next summer, next winter, next Christmas, next fall, whatever it is. Set a goal and set a time frame and a date that you want to reach that long-term goal. Maybe your goal is to go to 2020 eBay Open. Whatever that goal is, write down the money that it's going to take, the amount of money you have to make per day, per week, per hour, per minute, per second, per month, per whatever it is to get to where you need to go. Write all this down. Put it in a notepad. Put it on your Excel spreadsheets. I don't care where you do it. Set a goal, set multiple goals, and put down a plan of action to reach them. If you don't have goals, you have no idea where you're trying to get and what you're working towards, and you will easily fail because you don't even know what you're doing. You don't even know where you're headed. You don't know where you've been, where you are, what you're doing. You're just running around by the seat of your pants with your head chopped off like Chicken Little. That the sky is falling and you don't even know where the sky is. So make goals, write them down. We talk about this on our daily to-do list, daily goals, spreadsheets, inside of my VIP group and inside the training. But beyond that, outside of what I do and what I teach everyone, set your own goals and reach them. You know, if eBay Open is that goal, great, awesome, do it. Maybe you set that goal last year. Maybe some of you can say that you set that goal to make it to eBay Open 2019 and now you're going to be there this year. Awesome, yes, can't wait to see you. And comment down below. Let me know if you set that goal, if your goal was to make it to this eBay Open and now you're making it, or if your goal is to make it to eBay Open 2020. Go ahead and comment that down below as well, and we'll hold you to it next year. We'll pull this video back up. Now, there's going to be videos all week. I've got a few scheduled out already, 3 or 4 days worth, some 100 awesome items to sell and some other cool stuff. Also, I'll have some pre-recorded, all kinds of Instagram, all kinds of stuff for you guys. And of course, best of all, I will be going live randomly, intermittently. If you miss it, just watch the replay. If you're there, awesome. I don't know the time, so I know that some of you are going to be at work or some of you are going to be busy. Some of you won't know and won't see it. You won't get the notification till late, and that's okay. Just make sure that you check the replay out, because I'm going to be live and recorded with all of your favorite YouTubers, resellers, eBay people, the team at eBay, some of the sponsors, you know, InkFrog, PayPal, Crazy Lister. Think about the endless amount of people that are going to be in Vegas hanging out with me. We got Star and Keith at Flippin' Hippos, Dave and Bill over at Noman Frog. We got Steve Rakin from Rakin Profit. I'll be sitting down and doing a video with him. Colleen Gallagher, who, if you don't know her story, man, quit being a teacher after over a decade, and now she's well on her way to 6 figures this year, just 2 years later. Man, you guys might know Farm Girl Noelle, who had that horrendous accident a couple years ago where she got burned and she came back, and now she's been at eBay Open. She'll be there. Megan Reed will be there. Lindy Glenn will be there. Everyone is going to be there. Wade's Ventures. So I could just shout out people. Jason and Jessica from Thrift Traders. So many people. Katie and Vicky. Katie Zilverberg. Hey guys. All these people will be there. So if you watch any of them, you want to see them on my video, you want to see them right next to me, you want to see them partying, you want to see some behind the scenes of what stays in Vegas, or what happens in Vegas, stays in Vegas, and stays on the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Come back for some of those highlights. I'll try not to embarrass any of them too much, but we got a whole week of amazing things that I'm going to videotape for you guys. We got a cabana on Tuesday. We've got a Skyfall Lounge meetup cocktail hour where everyone is going to get together and mingle. That's going to make a great video. We've got the Saul escape room, which I will video for you guys. eBay's closing party Thursday inside the conference. A whole week of amazing things. We're seeing MJ1, the Circus Soleil MJ show, so you guys are going to love these videos. I'll video as much as I can, and I'll upload them as often as possible depending on how the Wi-Fi works. If not, they'll all go up when I get back. So Want to say a big thank you to everyone who worked with me this week and last week on the training to get all these coaching calls out of the way, to get you guys on your way so that while I'm gone, you can work on what you need to work on, and we'll get back together after the trip. And if you missed out and you want to join the training program without the coaching and mentoring calls, is half off. It's linked below. Grab it. Don't miss out on that price. When I come back and I have room, I'm going to jack the price back up, so don't miss out on that. If you want to get it now and reserve for August to September for mentoring and training, I'll link that as well. So there'll be two links. One is full price down there to reserve for future, and the second one is the half off without the call. So take advantage of one of those two options. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you next time from wonderful Sin City, Las Vegas, Nevada. Tomorrow afternoon, I will be up again. Check my social media for updates, airports, all that good stuff. And safe travels to everyone who's headed in, everyone who's on planes today, tonight, tomorrow, and Monday. We'll see you guys in Vegas. And get your party hats on, bring your dancing shoes, and bring lots of water because it's hot all across the country. You get dehydrated, you get that alcohol, you get that Vegas heat. And I know you guys up in the Northeast got some heat going on too. Drink water, guys. Stay hydrated. And we'll see you again from Vegas. Good night, everyone.